So, we're going to talk now about the new SYS-Cart and give you a brief overview. Okay, so the first thing you're going to notice on top are all these indentations. And the SYS-Cart will work with T-locks, but also the Generation 3 new Systainer. What's neat about it is it works with the M series and the L series, because of course you have these little parts here that slide into those notches. But it also works with the XXL series. So this slips right on like this. I'll show you. Just like this, okay? And there's a little green tab that flips up. All right, now, it works. You can stack L series right on top of the XXL. You can stack the M series. You see how it's all system integrated? But what's really cool, if you have the XXL, you can actually stack the M series and next to each other like this, and it all locks together. And you're ready to go to the job site. Just like that. So one of the questions we've been getting is, hey, how much can I stack on the new SYS-Cart? Well, it's 100 kilograms, or about roughly 220 pounds. Also, you're going to notice these through notches, and what that's for is if you have a big load on there, you can actually take it and put a strap through there to lock down the load. So you're also going to notice on the side of the SYS-Cart are these notches, and once again you can use the Systainer rails to store these. So hopefully you can see this new SYS-Cart with Generation 3 is quite the hit and super versatile.